Finance job. All right, so should you be excited about finance or not? Yes, you should be. And I'm not just saying it because I have to go through a bunch of videos with you, but I'm saying it because I'm actually very excited to make finance seem very easy. But before I give myself a lot of pats on the back, I do want to at least explain here to you the approach that we're going to be taking in understanding finance. We're going to be mostly focused on financial management decisions. Now, why do I say that? Why does the word finance not suffice? Why can't I just say we're studying finance? All you have to worry about is that we're going to be making some financial management decisions and understanding things that help us make the right decisions. Well, because finance is huge in scope, we're going to be more focused on the business and corporate side of things. Okay, so that's immediately really just telling you that we are going to be small business owners or large business owners, whatever you want to tell yourself, all right? But you're going to be my partner. And I want us to go through a journey where we're able to look at a bunch of ways that we could dissect our business. We're going to use a whole lot of ratios. Okay, there are a whole bunch of formulas that we have at our disposal, and we want to understand all of them so that we get to play the whole CFO role and try to maximize the value of our company. What else could we be doing if we were doing the finance job? Well, we can be talking about investments, which is, a very popular field. We can be talking about the financial markets, which you would imagine is tied to investments. It is, but how do I say this? Well, financial markets can be very complicated. Let's just say you can specialize in just understanding financial markets without actually being good at investments. Okay? And then there are financial instruments, the things you would actually trade for, securities. We're not going to talk about that. And then there are also financial institutions. So you hear the word mutual fund, you hear hedge funds, you hear investment bank, and then you probably have a Bank of America account where you save up all your money depositories. Guess what? They're all different. So we're not really going to be talking about those. For us, the finance job is going to revolve around making the best decisions that maximizes the value of our company. All right, we're trying to look at a bunch of ratios that lets us know how good we are at putting money in our pocket. We want to look at ratios that let us know how good we are at collecting money from customers. We want to look at ratios that lets us know, hey, from everyone outside looking at us, they actually think we're doing a good job. All right, so market value ratios helps us with that. Okay, we're going to look at solvency ratios, liquidity ratios. We're going to look at a whole bunch of formulas, very, very simple formulas that lets us know how we're doing on a day-to-day basis and on a long-term basis. All right, we're going to be able to forecast. We're going to be able to make the appropriate decisions that ensures that our company survives till the next day, the next month, the next year, and forever. All right? So again, remember that with these series, I want you to feel so confident that you don't need me anymore. You can go out on your own, start your own company, and at least have an idea and the confidence that you know what you're talking about. And if there's a problem, if you have to borrow some money from a bank and the bank tells you, well, we can't give you the money because XYZ, well, you get to come back at them and go, well, I know this, and I know this is what my company can do, and this is what we're doing right now. And you could say it with your chest. All right, so that's my whole point here. So again, the point of this video is to let you know that the finance field is very broad. We're going to actually just hone in on financial management decisions. And we're going to be very, very comfortable at the end of these next chunk of videos. I'm excited for it because I feel like a lot of people think that finance is very difficult, and I'm going to have the same approach that I had when we were talking about accounting, where I really break everything down right to the elements, and you realize, whoa, it's so much easier than people think. Okay, so that's that. I'm really excited for this next chunk of videos. Hopefully you are too. And just one last note. So accounting really was focused on, basically telling the truth. But now in finance, I'm not going to say that we're not concerned with telling the truth, We're going to take those facts and we're going to basically say, we're going to at least try to imagine what story the facts are telling us. We're going to approach the facts in different ways, trying to find clues, trying to find the right approach into understanding what's actually going on with our business. So there's a lot more flexibility in finance than there is in accounting. Accounting is just A equals A, B equals B. The value of this is this. You just basically write the truth. But in finance, there's a lot more flexibility, there's a lot more thinking, there's a lot more room for creativity and opinions and philosophies and industry analysis. Okay? Boom!